Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zoho Books with Zoho CRM. All right, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way. Right here, just log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the top right, and besides your profile, you have these dots right here. Okay, so what you do is just click on it. Now go ahead and find Zoho CRM. Okay, just scroll down until you find the sales section. Okay, we have here CRM. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and it will log you into crm.zoho.com. Now in here, what you'll need to do is just go ahead and add in a company name, a phone, and employee count. Also, make sure to set your time zone, language, currency, and if you want to load sample data, okay, you can go ahead and do so. If not, just untick this option. Okay, I'm going to disable the notification right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a company. Answer ASAP. Phone, employee count, maybe 10. And then hit on get started. There you go. From here, you can go ahead and invite your team, configure details or deals pipeline, connect your email account, migrate your existing data, and configure integrations. If not, you can just click on skip and discover it yourself. Okay. Now, if you want to double check if it's really connected, you can go ahead over to your Zoho Books, click on the gear icon. Right here, scroll all the way down and find integrations in marketplace. Click on Zoho apps. Okay. Go find Zoho CRM. Okay. In here, what you'll do is just click on connect. It may say access right here. So just click on connect. Now go ahead and select your organization. Okay. Click on drop down, select the organization, hit on connect. There you go. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you're going to go ahead and configure the module that you want it to be synced. Okay. For example, customers configure now right here. Okay. Vendors configure. Okay. And once that's done, when you go ahead and check it out, close, go back to settings, scroll down, Zoho apps. It now says show details. It says here active. That's basically it. That is how you integrate Zoho Books with Zoho CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.